Hey guys, welcome to the top 5 niches of the week, the original print-on-demand niches show. I've got 5 print-on-demand niches to help you increase your sales in the near term. Let's get into it. First, the organic top 10 bestsellers. And it looks like in that number 1 spot is a NASA Artemis shirt. Now here's the thing, and I get confused about this because I've never tried to upload anything NASA related to Amazon merch. But if you're selling through Amazon merch, obviously you got to take your account health and safety as a top priority. It doesn't look to me like the NASA themed shirts are official NASA shirts, implying that third-party sellers are just uploading their own designs. I say that based on, because we don't really know, unless you're the uploader, based on the brand names, to me, is what made it look like that. That being said, like, I am not telling you as one of the top 5 niches to sell anything related to Artemis or NASA. I'm just showing you the top 10 organic bestsellers with the known protected brands filtered out. So we got NASA, we got Illinois, we got Easter, He Is Risen, we got Behind Me, Chillin' With My Peeps, and then this one, My First Bump, I think is related to a movie, so that should have been filtered out. All right, let's move on. Niche number 1. This is a forward-looking episode, and it's a day late because of Easter, so happy Easter. Niche number 1, Asian Pacific Heritage Month in the month of May. All right, so the whole month of May is Asian Pacific Heritage Month. Shout out to anybody that is of Asian and Pacific heritage. You can see some ideas of some of the designs here behind me. You can see based on the review count, how many, estimate how many sales they've made in the past, and a few different ideas for designs. A lot of those blending of different flags together. The kind of flowery 60s, 70s style font there in number 2. A lot of flowers actually in number 4. And then behind me here, it looks like they just listed out all of the countries. So shout out to Asian Pacific and Pacific Heritage Month in the month of May. Niche number 2, moving on. How about also in the month of May, Mental Health Awareness Month? All right, and there's going to be heavy green elements, green ribbons, green flowers for the designs in Mental Health Awareness Month. So we are getting out ahead of the month of May because it's going to be here before you know it. All right, and whether that's welcome or not, as time continues to fly by, it is an opportunity for print-on-demand sellers, especially when it's like the whole month. And you got the clear-cut color element, green. The ribbons, the flowers, they're going to do well. The rainbows, they're going to do well. It looks like that number 2 spot. What is that, like a firefly or dragonfly or something like that? So here's some things that I'm seeing in the designs. Mental health reminders. You're doing great. Rest when you need to. These feelings will pass. It's okay to have bad days. There's nothing wrong with you. That was one shirt. The third shirt says, you are worthy, you are loved, you are needed, you are enough. 4th shirt says May is Mental Health Awareness Month, but for me, it's also January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So all the months of the year. And the fifth one here behind me, I wear green for mental health awareness. All right. Here's a couple more. It's okay to make mistakes, not be okay, have hard days, be yourself, not know it all, ask for help, start over, need more time. A lot of different designs, guys. In May, we wear green. What does that one say? Traumatic brain injury awareness, believe. So I guess that's mixed in maybe with mental health awareness. That is a sponsored design, by the way. Brain injury awareness, also with the green elements. So that could also be popular in the month of May, but those are also all ads. All right, moving on. Niche number 3. Before we get to niche number 3, in the description, I have a free print-on-demand mini course to help you get started based on my 9 years experience. And I have a print-on-demand Facebook group linked below if you would like to check that out as well. Niche number 3, how about Lupus Awareness Month in the month of May? Instead of green that we just talked about, it has a purple element. That first design says, fight lupus, walk proud, walk for a cure. So I used to work for a nonprofit that held a bunch of big walks around America. Not quite lupus walks, different nonprofit, but I'm very familiar with the concept. So it makes sense that those shirts would be really popular. And I don't know how big the lupus walks are, but I know the nonprofit I worked for had massive walks all around the United States. You would have like multiple in some states. And those shirts would do extremely well. I'm guessing they probably would have gone after you, though, if you used their intellectual property. But I don't see any intellectual property. I mean, granted, don't take me at my word. I'm a talking head on a screen. But that first shirt that just says fight lupus and it's aimed at people doing a walk for a cure, I could see why that would be extremely popular. I bet you people who buy that often buy them for their whole family, whole group. Who knows? They could just be making many, many sales at a time. So I love that idea. Next one says, I wear purple for myself, lupus awareness. Next one is really hard to read, but it's a butterfly, and half the butterfly is a wing. All words related to lupus, lupus awareness. Next one says, I don't look sick. You don't look stupid. Looks can be deceiving. Lupus awareness. And then behind me, it says, my God is stronger than lupus. Okay. And if you're struggling to make lupus themed designs, or really anything that we talked about, guys, Vector Stock has thousands upon thousands upon thousands of designs across all niches. Here I typed in lupus. You can see that there's 21 pages of results. So if you're interested, check that out. I will link to it below. Niche number 4, moving on. How about graduation? This is huge in the month of May. All right, whether you have kids or not, whether you are a student or not, I know some of you guys probably are. Shout out to you. Back when I taught at my alma mater, I would have conversations with some students about print on demand after class. I always look forward to that. The classes I was teaching was related to web development. I used to be a web developer in my past life, but every now and then I would always try to sprinkle in real world experience and any chance I could to be like, oh yeah, print on demand. I would never say it this way, but in my mind I was like, yeah, that's gonna be my future. That'll set me free from the 9 to 5. But some kids caught on and they would come talk to me after class, and I had some real big success stories. You know what I mean? People just took my advice. It's like, yo, like go apply for Amazon merch, go open an Etsy seller account, like just do this, then do the next thing, then do the next thing. And it's really cool to see. I kept in touch with some students after, for years afterwards, and it's cool to see them kind of climb the ranks of print on demand. And because they're studying IT like me, but we're making all this money on the side, and then one thing can sometimes lead to another where it could replace your whole 9 to 5 job with POD. Let me know if anybody watching this in fact did that. Love those stories. Anyways, graduation in the month of May. So when you graduate and you do have to look for a job, it's always nice to have those additional income streams. A lot of people wait till they need the money to start, and print on demand, let me know if you disagree, but I think it's more of a delayed gratification thing, where the longer you're doing it, number one, the better you get. And number two, it's kind of snowballs, right? The numbers tend to get bigger month over month, year over year. Yeah, I didn't say day over day, did I? I said not even week over week. I said month over month, year over year. So long time horizon, more beneficial. But graduation's huge in the month of May. It really begins in April. And people can buy t-shirts early, so you might see sales in March. But graduation, that only gets more popular. You can see proud mom of a 2026 graduate. I paused my game to graduate. You're welcome. I graduated. Can I go back to bed now? Hashtag done. Class of 2026. Class of 2026 senior. Here's a couple more. Looks like that first one's front and back. Not an Amazon merch listing, but senior mom. Next one says grad squad. Next one is the bootlegs theme design with custom images, but it says your name and then congrats 2026. I bet you that's real popular, but obviously some extra work to do there. Class of 2026 hashtag done. And then this listing here behind me has all of the mom, dad, custom, sister, brother, etc. in one listing, which you can't do in Amazon merch, but you can do that in Amazon custom through Seller Central. All right, niche number 5. Here we go. How about Mother's Day? And we're looking at Etsy this time. Interesting. We switched it up today. Mother's Day is May 10th this year. It's going to be here before you know it, so go out, get out there and get ahead of it. But Mother's Day on Etsy, here's a couple examples of designs that were popular. Looks like the comfort color shirts are popular, just saying. 3 out of the 4 here were comfort colors. You got the Tired Moms Club. You got Overstimulated Moms Club. So Moms Club. Behind me here, it just says Amelia's Mom. Okay, it just says Amelia's Mom with a heart. But that sort of minimalistic design can do really well. It doesn't need to be complicated. I think those show better on Etsy, or at least on Amazon Seller Central, where you control the mockup. On Amazon Merch, you don't control the mockup, so it might be a little bit harder to frame a really small design, a minimalist design like that. And then the number 3 spot here behind me, it's a hand with a little baby grabbing one of the fingers, and the hand says Mom on the wrist, and then you got the baby's name on its wrist. Love that idea as well. Here's a couple others. Every Day I'm Mothering. Play on the words from that song, Every Day I'm Hustling. Next one's Cool Moms Club, and matching with the Cool Kids Club. Next one says Mama in cursive, and then underneath it's got the kids' names, Noah, Olivia, Tyler, and it's customizable. So if you're on Etsy, guys, takeaway here, the custom stuff's doing real well. And the last one here is just a photo that says Mama in that really long lettered text. All right, that's niche number 5. Now let's go on to emerging trends. These are all outperforming their 90-day average BSR, could be indicative of an emerging trend. Designs kind of look all over the place, not going to lie. So definitely, is there a clear cut? I mean, I definitely see a lot of mom designs. I see some dad designs. I see my favorite uncle gave me this shirt. I see the F-Call-F. A fishing shirt says even Jesus had a fish story. But it looks like a lot of mom, dad, Nurse. All right. We know Nurse Appreciation Day is in May. We talked about that last week. All right. Looking ahead, here we go. These are some hand-selected holidays at least a month out. May 5th is Cinco de Mayo, also Taco Tuesday. May 6th, Bike to School Day. May 6th, National Day of Prayer. May 6th, also National Teachers Day. May 7th is Tourism Day. So there's just a few looking ahead, smaller calendar holidays. Here's the archive. This is what was selling well 11 months ago. I like to do this in Merch Dominator, the research tool I use for these videos, because if I can look back 11 months, it's like being able to look forward 1 month into the future. So this is what was selling well in May of 2025, helping us project what will be selling well in May 2026. Again, looks pretty scattered. Some Mother's Day stuff. I'm not old, I'm classic. My son-in-law is my favorite child. For some reason, that does so well every Mother's Day. So I would definitely, just a reminder, in case you're watching this and you are going through your first kind of print-on-demand annual cycle, the son-in-law is my favorite child shirts do really well around Mother's Day, and they do really well around Christmas as well. So graduation here behind me, there's one. And then behind me here, I'm also covering up another Mother's Day. So definitely Mother's Day is going to be the big prevailing theme, if I had to guess. Removed designs. These were all removed in the last 24 hours, either by Amazon or by the uploader. You got an April Fool's Day shirt. You've got a Easter shirt. You got quite a few Easter shirts. You've got some autism awareness stuff. So kind of the things that come and go with early April. People are just freeing up their upload slots, deleting them, replacing with more modern trends. And then somebody tried to upload a golf shirt themed after the Masters. I would not recommend that. Probably was removed by Amazon and probably closed their account, if I had to guess. That also had a really low BSR of 33,000. That's how you probably can guess that Amazon removed it. Because most people with a 33,000 BSR product in their account, they're not deleting that. You know, the lower the BSR, the better. They were making regular sales with that. But they probably flew too close to the sun, and now they got to reap the consequences, unfortunately. Thanks for watching till the end, guys. Linked below this video, I have a link to my full print-on-demand course if you guys want to kind of study under me and see what I did to start, scale, and automate my print-on-demand business that makes me six-figure profits every single year since 2019. That is linked below. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I will see you soon with another new video.